Also another story which I'm going to narrate for you from the Silsila Sahiha of the Shaykh al-Albani, 2824. Verily the story says, Abdullah ibn Abbas, and it's authentic, that the people of Quraysh, they got together in the Hijr, that wall, that semicircle in the Kaaba. And they had made an oath by the Lat wal Uzza. This is why they make an oath. Just like Abu Jahl, he made, by Allat wal Uzza, I'm going to step on the neck of the Prophet of Muhammad if he comes to pray here. So they said, by Allat wal Uzza, and Manat al-Thalithat al-Ukhra, and Wana'ilata wa Isaf. So they made an oath now by more than one god. Allat wal Uzza wa Manah, and also Na'ila wa Isaf. 5 gods. If we see Muhammad, we will come to him as one man. And we will not let go of him until we kill him. His daughter Fatima, she was young. She was just a kid, 8 years old, 10 years old. She came crying until she entered upon the Prophet ﷺ. She said, Messenger of Allah, oh father, for verily these people of Quraysh, they have made a plot to kill you if they see you. So if they're going to come as one man to kill you. So he said to her, daughter, show me where is the wudu. So she brought him the wudu and he made the wudu. And then he entered upon them in the masjid, which is the Masjid of al-Haram, into the Kaaba. And when they saw him, he said, there he is. And then they put their sights down. They lowered their gaze down. And also their chins went down to their chest and stuck there. And also they were freezing in their places. They couldn't really lift their eyes towards the Prophet ﷺ. Not a single man was able to go towards the Prophet of Allah. So the Prophet ﷺ, he went and he got close until he stood on top of their heads. Next to their heads. And he just took a handful of dust and he threw it and he said, Shahatul wujuh. May Allah disgrace these faces. And not a single man whom a single dust from the throw of the Prophet of Allah went in his eyes, except that he was killed in the Battle of Badr as a kafir. So all these people were killed as kuffar in the Battle of Badr. And as I said, this hadith is sahih from the silsila of Shaykh al-Albani rahimahullah.